Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Philips Sonicare G2 is probably one of the most important accessories for your electric toothbrush. It's designed to provide a superior cleaning experience, removing plaque and improving gum health. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Philips Sonicare G2 brush head, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's a top choice for maintaining a healthy smile. Number 5. Philips Sonicare G2 Gum Care Brush Heads. These are genuine replacement heads for your Philips Sonicare electric toothbrush. They are designed to provide a superior clean, ensuring your teeth and gums stay healthy. This is the #1 recommended power toothbrush brand by dental professionals. You can trust it to deliver the quality and care your smile deserves. It improves gum health by up to 100% compared to a manual toothbrush. Using it regularly will help you maintain healthy gums and a bright smile. It gently removes up to 6 times more plaque along the gum line than a manual toothbrush. This helps to prevent gum disease and keeps your mouth feeling fresh and clean. With brush sync technology, it pairs with compatible handles to provide mode pairing and replacement reminders. This ensures you're always using the right brush head and getting the best clean. What we like. This brush head is the #1 recommended power toothbrush brand by dental professionals. It improves gum health, removing up to 6 times more plaque along the gum line. If you are looking for a brush head that combines professional recommendations with advanced features, you should consider this one. What people say. These G2 heads contour teeth beautifully, clean deeper without irritation. I bought these G2 heads and am using the GUM setting on my Sonicare. I was really impressed at how the bristles are supportive and clean well enough but seem far gentler on my gums. They fit and work perfectly. Number 4. Futulkyus replacement heads for Philips Sonicare. These replacement heads use premium DuPont Tinex nylon filaments. They are soft yet durable, designed to reach those tricky spots and gently remove plaque and stains without irritating your gums. With densely packed bristles, this head adapts to your teeth's shape. When used with the white plus mode of your electric toothbrush, it effectively removes dullness and restores a healthy shine, all without causing any harm. These sonic refill heads work with a wide range of Philips Sonicare models. They are compatible with Diamond Clean, Flex Care, Healthy White Plus, and many more click-on toothbrush handles. The indicator bristles fade over time, reminding you when to replace the head, about every 3 months. Installation is simple, just snap the new one on. The small gap ensures optimal vibration for effective cleaning. Each toothbrush head is individually vacuum-packed and includes a hygienic cover. This protects the bristles from dust and keeps them clean until you're ready to use them. What we like. This product features deep cleaning with DuPont bristles, ensuring gentle yet effective cleaning. It is also widely compatible with various Philips Sonicare models. If you have sensitive gums but still want a powerful clean, you should consider this one. What people say. Fit on device well, brushes teeth well even though the brush is a little smaller than original. Works great, lasts a month per brush or more, so you have a year's supply or more for one low price, well worth it. The Ofashu refills toothbrush are well fit for Philips toothbrush. Number 3. Brushmo BM938 replacement heads for Philips Sonicare. Looking for a great replacement for your Philips Sonicare toothbrush heads? This is it. It's a budget-friendly alternative that doesn't compromise on quality. These brush heads are designed to fit perfectly with your Philips Sonicare click-on handles. It works with many models, ensuring a secure fit for a superior clean. The end-rounded bristles are gentle on your gums, providing a comfortable and effective cleaning experience. It helps promote gum health every time you brush. The medium soft bristles are designed to remove plaque effectively, leaving your teeth feeling fresh and clean. This helps you maintain a healthy and bright smile. The fading reminder bristles let you know when it's time to replace the brush head. It's recommended to replace it approximately every 3 months for optimal performance. We prioritize customer satisfaction, offering hassle-free returns. You can purchase with confidence, knowing that your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. This brush head offers a high-quality, budget-friendly alternative. It is designed to be gentle on your gums, promoting gum health with each use. If you are looking for an affordable option without compromising on quality, you should consider this one. What people say. These work great with the Sonicare toothbrush and much cheaper. The brush heads are durable and gets the job done. They are a cost-effective alternative to brand name replacement heads. Design, functionality, noise level, vibration level are all good. Work as effective as manufacturer brand for way less cost. Fit as should. Number 2. Philips Sonicare G2 Gum Care Replacement Heads. Introducing the Philips Sonicare G2 Gum Care Replacement Heads. This is designed to give you a healthier smile. It is the perfect choice for your oral hygiene. These replacement heads are compatible with all Philips Sonicare click-on rechargeable toothbrush handles. It is easy to install and use, making it a convenient addition to your routine. The Philips Sonicare is the #1 recommended power toothbrush brand by dental professionals. You can trust this product to deliver exceptional results and care for your oral health. Clinically proven to reduce gum inflammation up to 100% more after 2 weeks of use. Using this can significantly improve your gum health. Experience up to 7x healthier gums versus a manual toothbrush. It is designed to provide superior cleaning and care for your gums. With brush sync mode pairing and replacement reminders when used with a brush sync compatible handle. It ensures you always get the best performance. What we like. This brush head is clinically proven to reduce gum inflammation. It promotes up to 7 times healthier gums. If you are looking for a brush head that prioritizes gum health and offers advanced cleaning, you should consider this one. What people say. They offer superior cleaning and they just perform better and last longer. After using them consistently, my teeth are cleaner. The bristles are the perfect texture. Number 1. Aoremon replacement brush heads for Philips Sonicare. These replacement brush heads are designed to remove up to 10 times more plaque. The densely packed bristles and flexible sides ensure a thorough and effective clean, giving you a professional level clean with every brush. Made in state-of-the-art facilities, these brush heads meet the highest health and safety standards. Rigorous testing ensures they are durable and provide a reliable brushing experience, day after day. These brush heads are designed to fit a wide range of Philips Sonicare click-on handles. Whether you have a Protective Clean, Flex Care, or Easy Clean model, it's easy to find a compatible fit. The brush heads feature indicator bristles that fade to blue, signaling when it's time for a replacement. This smart design ensures you always get the most effective clean, making oral care simpler. Each brush head comes individually packaged with a sanitary cap. Plus, customer support is available to ensure your satisfaction, making your experience smooth and worry-free. What we like. This brush head provides 10x better plaque removal for a professional level clean. It is crafted with premium quality materials, ensuring long-lasting durability. If you like a dentist level clean and want a brush head that fits most Philips Sonicare models, you should consider this one. What people say. These fit easily on top my Sonicare. It cleans my teeth perfectly and I have no complaints. These toothbrush heads offer excellent value compared to the original brand's cost. They work perfectly and are incredibly soft, which is ideal for my sensitive gums. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.